Alright, Apple's spiking really hard. It's up 4.5% nearly. There was some news that came out pre-market. I will show you guys in a second. Trump to make announcement on Apple today. So that'll be very interesting. It's been beaten down really hard. The sentiment is just absolutely terrible for Apple. Also Tesla having a nice day, up 3.4%. I'm actually going to trim one of these Tesla contracts. Alright, I just trimmed that off. Probably topped out here for the day. It's ran a lot already. And I sold that contract for $8.80, the 312.50 call. Alright, some pretty crazy flow just came in on Apple. $9 million in August 15th. In the money calls, $197.50. So I'm going to add a little bit more Apple here. 3 contracts with the 8.15, 220 call. And I'm still in the 210s. I also did sell another 312.50 Tesla call for $7.10 earlier this morning. Also have more buying power, so I'm going to buy one more weekly, the 217.50 call for $1.21. I like to do that if I'm really bullish on a stock and I have a little bit of buying power left. I'll just snag a few weeklies here and there. But it's super important to go small on those. I'm going to trim one of these QQQ cons. I'm up 60%. Some really crazy call flow just came in on Tesla. 7.7 million OTM calls for November 21st, 2025. The 350 strike. The contract cost is $24.90. Alright, I just raised the stop on the other contract to $3. It's currently at $4.02. And it expires today, so I'm going to have to sell that by the close. Here's some Apple news that came in today. Apple will remain largely unaffected by the tariffs targeting India. CNBC citing White House officials. Also, some news that came in after hours. Trump to impose 100% tariff on all imported semiconductors except Nvidia and Apple. Tesla's getting a nice spike after hours. And Apple getting a huge spike, up almost 3% after hours. These are my 2 plays right now, Tesla and Apple. Been tweeting quite a lot on X. I'm also in a OKLO position. Nvidia getting a nice move. SPY options today, up about 75%. QQQ had a really good day, up 1.25%. Those calls were up about 150%. Here's the Apple daily chart. Going for this gap fill. Needs to break this high right around here to fill the gap at 221. And actually after hours, it did hit the gap. We'll have to see where this opens up tomorrow. And also, here's the Tesla daily chart. Really nice day here. Bought on 8.1. Also, I bought different contracts on 7.7. Rode that up before earnings. Sold before earnings. Then I rebought here. There's a key level at 334 on Tesla. I think that can hit by the end of the week if it really gets going. Total for today, 32.16. Obviously, really good day. Apple up 75%. Tesla up 64%. OKLO up 20%. I just keep trimming when we're in the money and when we keep spiking. So let's see if we can keep it rolling.